needs it, I will grab some dry shampoo. This is the Batiste Extra Large Volume Dry Shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo in the world. I don't think my hair is that bad, so I'll probably just spray it down here. And then I just rub it in a bit. And it's really good at giving your scalp just a bit of a lift. As you see, it comes off your hair where it like all has to look uniform and perfect. That's why I love curling my hair, because I'm lazy. Once I get to the upper part of my hair, I usually just go along this line and do the thinner section. And this is kind of the part that is really important when it comes to curled hair. The bottom layer is kind of whatever. The top layer, it is important. Best straightener ever for this. Since my hair is naturally curly, as I was saying, I like to go all the way at the top and kind of just straighten out the roots if it's not super straight anymore. And then I try not to like go over my hair too many times. I just kind of fix the roots a bit. And then there's two ways that I do my curls. Way one is just holding it upwards, bringing this about like halfway down. It gets stuck together. So this is the finished look. If I feel like one side has like way more volume than the other, I'll usually just go in with like a bit of hairspray, plump it up a little like that. I don't usually tease my hair, but I know